Hello everyone, this is Correct Bet. Welcome back again to my channel. In case you haven't subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my new video anytime I post. Alright, I want to show you this new tricks about this Lotto 6. I think maybe most of you may not know what is Lotto 6. This Lotto 6 is a lottery, is a Japan lottery games. For Japan lottery games, but you can also play it here in Nigeria. This is Lotto 6. I want to show you, but the teaching, I'm not going to show it here, but if you want the teaching about this Lotto 6, you can see the next winning amount, 2.1 billion. That is next. This is a jackpot. It's a jackpot. So all you need here is 6 numbers. All you need here is 6 numbers. So once you get the 6 numbers, out of that 6 numbers, if you have at least like 4 or 3 numbers that appear from the result, you have some winning from it. But if you get the whole numbers correct, you won yourself a jackpot. So this they play every Wednesday, every Tuesday, every Monday and Thursday. That's how they play. So next game now is on Thursday, which is tomorrow is their next game. So in case you are interested in this Lotto 6, this is a Lotto 6 Japan lottery. So in case you are interested in it, you want the teaching on how to pick those numbers, you can contact me on WhatsApp or 070-3676-0527. This is Correct Bet. So this is a new trees we'll be bringing for you for another trees, but we'll be combining our Zoom soccer, because all this, once you try here, you try here, you try here. So any of it can help you succeed this year. So we'll not concentrate only on Zoom soccer. So we can be doing this Lotto 6 and others, and the normal Lotto for Nigeria. But this one you can book it online. You can book it online. Once you sign up, register everything, you can book it online. And once you want your numbers, you can cash out your money online. So this is Lotto 6 Japan lottery. So in case you're interested in it, you can let me know. You can see the previous games. This Lotto 6 always play on Monday and Tuesday. It's between Monday and Thursday. Between Monday and Thursday games. So that's how you play. Monday and Thursday. It's 2 times in a week. So once you get the numbers correctly, you are good to go. You won the game. You can see the ones. This is a previous match, jackpot. So you can see the ones here. You can see the correct number they have here. Those ones they tick around. You can see them. You can see the one on different color. You can see it. This is a Japan Lotto 6 lottery. So you can play it online in Nigeria. Those in outside countries, those in Japan can play it well. So there is other, maybe like Ghana, no matter any country you are, you can play it online. You can play it online. But if you are in Japan, you can go to shop there and play it, just like the way we play our Lotto here in Nigeria. You can go to shop and play. But once you are in Japan, you can go to any of the store and play it. But since you are in Nigeria, you can play it online. So this is the previous numbers for those that want it. You can see it. This is the amount they won in Naira. So this is a very big jackpot. There's enough money on this. All you need is to get the correct number. So the next one to play now is it for Thursday. See, the time is still counting, as you can see. This is 2.1 billion naira jackpot. This is a very hard game. So you have to study it very well. You have to work with a professional on this before you can get it right. So, but this particular game, the tricks on how to do it is not posting here online. So this is something for people that are serious about it, something for people that need it or chat privately. I'll tell you how to do it. So, but I have to pay for teaching about this. It's not free. So once you're chatting me for this, I'll tell you the price on how I do it. So my WhatsApp number is 07036760527. This is Correct Bet. Thank you for watching.